All right, I was looking for something to replace the canned energy drinks that I drink too many of. And I wanted a powdered mix that I could put into a liter of water so that I'm making sure I'm getting my water each day as well. And I came across this stuff. It comes in a bunch of different flavors. I got the Cosmic Stardust, and this one's the BREEZEBERRY. It has a good flavor to it, and it gives me a little bit of an extra energy push that I like. The box itself has 10 sticks inside of it, and you can tear this top off and use it as a dispenser if you want. Super simple to use. You know, obviously, like any other stick thing, you just tear the top off and you dump it in there and you mix it up real good. Fits inside the lid of the bottle really well, like that. Shake it up and you're good to go. Now, the Cosmic Stardust flavor that I have has a kind of a pink color to it, but this BREEZEBERRY, no coloring at all, well, barely. Looks relatively clear. I like that. There are 10 sticks per case. One stick is a serving, only 5 calories, 0 fat, a little bit of sodium in here, 1 carb. I like that, 1 carb, and 0 grams of added sugars. We have 4% of iron in here, your daily value, 100% of your vitamin B6, 100% of your biotin, and 125% of your vitamin B12. And the most important thing to know about this is that it has 200 grams of caffeine in here. So if you're a caffeine fan like I am, plenty of that in there. They have an energy blend with taurine, caffeine, obviously, L-theanine, L-carnitine tartrate, Panax ginseng leaf extract, and guarana seed extract. Has a good taste to it. It's not overpowering. Obviously, you can adjust that if you use a smaller, bottle of water than what I'm using. I like it. Gives me an energy boost during the day, and I get my water at the same time.